Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate the written text on the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Select your source and target language at the top. On the left side you can select your source language, and on the right side your target language. And then you should tap on this pen icon in the enter text box, and then you have this blank space at the bottom of the screen, and now you should write the text that you would like to translate from your source language to your target language. As you can see, it has been inserted in text format into the source language panel, and you can see it translated below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.